Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are out with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and I want to see how it will do in pictures. I know we all know that it does a beautiful job on video, but let's see how it does on some pictures. So let's get started and see what happens. Waterfall. I wouldn't really call it a waterfall, but it's something like that. There's some water falling from it, so let's check it out on video and see what we can get. So there you go. I think we got glare in there. I can't hardly tell. Yeah, no, it's either my hand or glare. You have to choose which one you want. I don't know that I have a glare thing for this or not, but so there you go. There's a little bit of a tour through the Old Town of Conyers, and trying to see what the DJI would do in pictures. And now that I've shot the pictures, I'm really hoping I shot them in RAW, but it's always good to wonder how you shoot things. So, but anyhow, happens to everybody, so what you're gonna do. But anyway, this is a very cool little spot. I'm gonna flip the video around so you can check it out. And one thing I'm seeing on this camera that I haven't really noticed, seem to be getting a lot of glare. I don't know if it's just the time of day or just the way I'm having to be going, or maybe it's not even there. Maybe it's just how it looks on the screen. So, but we shot some pictures. Like I said, I wanted to check out the DJI. Everybody knows that it's awesome for video. I wanted to see how it would do for some pictures, so we shot some regular shots. And then we used some, put the macro on it and got close to some flowers to see how they look. I think they look like they would look good. I won't know till I get them on the computer, but it looks good so far. So back to us. Here's me and my wife again. Here we are. There we are. And we are signing out for now. We're going to check this out because this video is going up very soon. So hope you guys learned something about the pictures on this DJI. I know I probably will when I start to download them. So anyway, for helping you guys out, have a good day. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you.